My name is Ramon. I'm with Collaborising. I'm here participating in this encampment cleanup, and I just want to say that everybody that's been here today has done an amazing job. You know, simply amazing, from Target to Yellow Sack to our partners at Home Depot who donated all the equipment, the supervisors here, our supervisor assistants here. We have CORE, we have members of CORE, we have a couple of people from SOS, and everybody has done their part. I'm just grateful and I'm thankful. Everybody's safe, nobody got hurt, and the place looks fabulous. Oh, it's working with the people who live here just helps me and helps them. Almost like, you know, we want to clean the place up because they live here. We want to clean the place up because it's safer when it's clean. They live here, and there's a sense of pride. You know, where they live, you keep the place clean, and even though just because they're unsheltered doesn't mean that they have to be dirty. They're not. You know, just things happen, people come in here, and they really appreciate what we're doing for them. And I'm grateful that they're actually participating. Support Yellow Sack, support Target, support Home Depot, keep your place clean.
I'm V, I'm out here with Yellow Sack.
What do you got going on today?
And yeah, we're part of this great project of cleaning the city of Richmond. There's this encampment that now we've been partnering with Collaborising and Target volunteers, and I know there's a few out here from Home Depot. It's been a pleasure to just kind of take part in this project to help clean the community up. Yeah, so Yellow Sack is, we were founded in 2018. Our customer base is majority are construction, any debris that people are disposing of. So the cool thing is our customer base are construction workers. Normally we're anyone that's doing in-home innovations. So the reason why we are relevant in this project is because we also recycle a lot of debris. So we're able to collect any debris from here and recycle it. So it's not going to a landfill, it's actually being reused and repurposed. And that's kind of like what we do at Yellow Sack. The cool thing that sets us apart is that we have the crane, which was helpful here. We're able to go over walls and trees and help clean up this area in this project. Yeah, it's awesome to be part of being able to help in any sense. We are huge on volunteering, which has been great to partner with Leah and be an asset to our community. Of course, as you said, beautifying our and cleaning anywhere we could be of use. So yeah, it's been such a pleasure to be able to invest in the community that we love so much. We all are from all parts of the Bay Area, and we're just here to just help any way possible.
My name is Troy Pujeda, currently the Chief Operations Officer at Yellow Sack, and we're here working with Collaborising, helping clean up this sidewall right next to Target. We're always looking for partnerships with different cities and how we can make a better environment, better city. We aim yellow for a greener environment. We always want to make sure that that's our number one prospect, and basically how we can create a better society, better environment and everything. So every time an opportunity like this arises, we're always hands-on. We always want to make sure we join in and hop on board these kinds of aspects. Everyone's always involved, everybody wants to be a part of it, and that's a really good thing. And that's what we're here as well, Yellow Sack, right? We want to make sure that we influence people to work together and be together and as well stay together. So it's an amazing experience, definitely an amazing experience. You can go through yellowsack.com. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also call us at 1-833-393-5569.
I'm John Joya, Contra Costa County Supervisor from Richmond, and it's great to be out here to see Collaborising really work with so many partners and the community to clean up this area outside Target by the BART tracks. I mean, there are a number of unhoused people who live near here, and a lot of trash has accumulated, and over the years. And this effort today is cleaning this up, also making this a healthier and safer place for unhoused people to stay as they look for housing. And hopefully we'll work to move most of these individuals over time into stable housing, which is what they deserve and are entitled to. This partnership out here today involves so many great partners, including Target, our Bay Area Clean Air Day, the City of Richmond, our office, Yellow Sack, and SOS, and others, who really intensely, working with community, removed over 50,000 pounds of trash out here and making this a cleaner place. I really acknowledge the hard work and partnerships that Collaborising has formed. Leah's done an amazing job, and we need to continue these kind of community, government, business partnerships. What's also really great about this effort is that Collaborising is working with those who live out here, unhoused individuals who live in the encampments here, who are actually participating in the cleanup of their own community, of the place where they live, who are invested in making this cleaner. And I think that's really important. This is a great model for how we can clean these types of areas around Richmond and around our county, but we need to put resources and effort and time to making these happen.
So my name is Simone Gorey. I am the Property and Finance Manager for Richmond Neighborhood Housing Services. We are based here in Richmond. We help with affordable housing, home ownership, foreclosure prevention. We've actually partnered with the City of Oakland to create an ADU program to help homeowners with additional income with building small units on their property. I received this information. I was originally just going to come and volunteer as myself, but you know, got it out with my organization, and we did decide to donate 10 of the yellow sack bags. So I'm just very happy to be here. Like I said, we're based in Richmond. We have rental properties here in Richmond as well. So I'm very happy to be able to clean up part of our community.
All right, Leah Murray with Collaborising. And Collaborising is a fusion of two words, collaborate and rising. Our tagline is working together, rising together, and that is what you have witnessed today. Today we are celebrating California Clean Air Day, and more specifically, the Bay Area Clean Air Day. We have had representatives from Supervisor John Joya's office, we had Robert Rogers, we had Representative Gail McLaughlin from the City of Richmond. We have had all these representatives helping us from different organizations. Target has been a major contributor, and there is a cleanup right here behind their store. They provided $10,000 worth of funding and donations of food and other items, and had about 10 or 11 employees out here. So we are very, very grateful for Target. You might have seen Yellow Sack. Thank you, Troy and V. Troy Pujita is the COO of Yellow Sack, and he has donated at least $10,000 worth of services. They come out and they remove debris from remodeling, but today they came out to remove debris from this encampment. We had Richmond Neighborhood Housing Services, which is right to my left. We had La Familia here. We had SOS. We've had Sims Metal. I cannot thank Sims Metal enough. They gave 3 dumpsters to help clean up this garbage here. And the metal that they took, some of the residents here will be able to get paid for the salvage metal. We've had, I think I got everybody. We've had residents, and thanks to Home Depot too for all of the supplies. So if there's anyone I left out, I apologize, but it has truly been a collaborative effort. And thank you. If you see right now the City of Richmond with these heavy equipment out here too. We had Parks and Recs, we had streets. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ramon Quintana. I could not have done this without him. There is no Collaborising without Ramon. And he coordinated the field. He got everyone down in what we call the pit. And that pit is almost clean now. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We love the City of Richmond. We're grateful to be here. Collaborising.
Okay, so my name is Jaime Rodriguez, and we at Targetville. And we're just cleaning up today. It's a community of like 10 people, and then we just live out here. Yeah.
And then can you tell us maybe some things you would like to see here in your community?
It's a bunch of things. No, but like now that the place is cleaned up, or why not? And like I don't know, like what's it called, like a garden, like with fruit, where we can like we can grow grow tomatoes and all that stuff like that, like on the side right here.
Maybe some running water.
Running water is important, Some showers,
Do you have anything to say to the people that are watching this that could help?
That we will appreciate any type of help that we will get, like I said, it's a community out here. It's like 10 of us, and for the most part we try to keep it clean out here, and but it kind of gets out of hand sometimes. So we got a team out here today.